Hey guys, this is me and
hi, my name is Asia. Well, you guys know it because it's my channel, not hers. It's Noel here.
Yeah.
So, what are we going to be doing today, Noel?
I'm showing our Play-Doh and head. Like this slime.
Yeah, it's in a Play-Doh box, but it's on this thing, so here it comes. It's blue, but it's just purple. It's blue, the top is purple. So. Okay, here we go. Let's open it. Open it.
I just
Open
made
it.
a machine.
Open it.
Okay.
Dribble. No, don't fight it. Now, you're gonna show it to them. Here. Show them what it looks like. Nope, I just said show them. It's like a really nice blue color. Whoa.
It looks like white because of the TV.
It's green from back here, and then from up here it looks white. It looks white. Oops. It's playing with it. Okay, and so let's play with it. Look at it. It looks. There it is. For a minute, it looked like Play-Doh. It is like the softest thing ever. Like, I'm really gonna tell you guys that now. You guys ready? I'm gonna put it over the camera. I'm gonna put it over the camera. Oh, I got a dream. Yes. Oh yeah, they can see it. Hi guys.
That was just a slime.
Yeah, put the slime in the camera. Now let's see it stretch. Let's see how it can go, baby.
Baby.
Oh, okay, let's keep stretching it because that was not fast.
You do my machine thing.
Okay. It stretches a lot. You have to go super slow because if you go fast, it's like. Yeah, so like just don't. Just don't pull it fast. Just go slow, just like this. And I'll stretch like a lot. Where's the box?
The box? I don't know. I didn't take it.
Where is? Oh, I found it. Sorry, guys. Let's put it back in. And no, guys, you guys are thinking like, well, you guys are probably thinking like, we're home alone. Oh my God, they're home alone. Wow. But oof, no, we're not home alone. We, our mom is just in the room. Our sister. So it has amazing farting noises, like it's amazing and funny. Yeah. And so, Noah, why do you fart? We all heard you. So let's put the purple top on. And that was our slime video, and yeah, and
You want to show me come up here?
Bye everybody, make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below if you just love this color. Just comment down below if you love, like literally love the color, and looks like. And I will be making more to send to my fans. So you want some of this deliciousness, like awesomeness, subscribe. It's the softest thing ever. It literally feels like a very furry blanket. Airborne.
Asia, can you bring me her clothes?
No. And so, bye guys. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want some of this. And bye. See you tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe. Mwah.